Hello everyone. Do you feel shy and confused while talking in English? In this video, I am giving you a 7-day challenge that if you follow these 4 rules, then you can definitely improve your spoken level. When we hear someone speaking English fluently, we get impressed that how good is he. But maybe you are listening first time to that guy. But it is not his first time to speak English. So, like if we take example of our cricket players, at the beginning, they feel hesitation in their communication. But with the passage of the time, by talking again and again in front of the media, they become pro. There is no difference between you and them, except their opportunities to speak English and their practice of speaking English. While we get the least chance to speak English, these can be giving a job interview for a foreign study visa, or any presentation you have to give in the office. You cannot keep these opportunities for practice. So, how to practice them? I am going to share a technique having 4 steps, and you have to follow them for 7 days. I am sure that you will see a big change in yourself after this week. Step 1. For this step, you need a diary and a pen. Now, clear your goal for which you are improving your English. Then note down 14 topics for English conversation related to the goal you want to achieve. Like, if you are doing it for a job interview, then the topics can be the questions that you're going to be asked in an interview. If you don't have ideas, then I will share some ideas with you. Like, your topics can be, who am I? Like your positive and negative sides, your strengths and weaknesses. Then, explain your daily routine. What do you want to be in future? How do you see yourself after 10 years? The most memorable or embarrassing moment of your life? If you are going to start a business, then what would it be? How can you keep yourself fit and healthy? Then, if you become invisible for one day, then what will you do? These are the topics you can use. Then, the second step. Daily, you have to choose 2 topics and note down the answers in a diary. Answers must be in detailed form. Step 3. After writing these answers, read them twice. And third time, say it loudly without seeing them from the diary. It is not necessary that it must be same exactly, but should not vary too much from the written one. Step 4. When you get these questions prepared, practice them with a real person. It will be good for you that if the person knows English, so that he may not only listen your answers but correct your mistakes as well. After 1 week, you may continue this practice with some other topics as well. Till then, take very good care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.